Aha! As the down all African Games GBC boss Auditor General asset charge 6.8 billion. Papa we mukaino Nyankopon tia obiaka 1111. Obia from the beginning. Oya na you say obeka me wasem bone nyame betua ne ka. All African Games in 2024 no. Sika sports minister way and a sponsor Bawumia campaign. So we Jimmy to former sports minister. This boy about $44.9 million. 2024 yawo. Sa sika ni nyina ashe omo wie sa sika ni nyina. Okwasia bi na wodi usika etua ne ka eno nyame twe waso kwasia e de se Paul ene we jai Paul na all say wodwumadie ade na Paul tip Metro TV on to defend because who say we are kronfo nko be defend omo to be 7 million Ghana cedi to Ghana 70 billion edioso 70 billion omo ko print shirt ne so wa ha yehu Bawumia time no Ekufuado time no omo so omo print shirt for all African Games no 7 million Ghana cedis to Ghana 70 billion million ukoduru menhia utumi hihye sika ni na enko ho ebe broso abeduru wo na no sika podio tankofo no some the printed shirt ya hwehwe shirt so ayehu just a t-shirt party after all these things hwe de eba no insem bebre wo se di nkomo ye say time ni nyandu ye 27 ekono ehwo na bohu nyoma be free kitchen haba 27 nyoma be free kitchen mo be num ho ma catch them MPP for mo so na we di matam me gada ni nyina o 2027 na me kyerɛ mo nipa ameye now mom yewure mu ha ya 2 hours 59 minutes now mom 30 minutes bin count now mama kyerɛ ma de bi ha Andra all African Games ebete insem recover 44.9 million from former sports minister Mustafa Yusuf, William Kate and Dr. Ofosu-Asare for financial irregularities during African Games. Auditor General to government. You see, under MPP, all African Games, you know. Former sports minister we, Bawumia small boy we, sika onen enko for $44.9 million. Auditor General na aya ne audit nyina, ahwehwe nkratem aya mat ni nyina. Auditor General say under Bawumia ene Ekufuado. All African Games in 2024 no, sika sports minister way and a sponsor Bawumia campaign. So boy we open omo very influential sikasem a omo de ko wura Bawumia campaign so boy we Jimmy to former sports minister we Jimmy to onim nyanse bia they used him like a rag we Jimmy to this boy only about 3 people you see about $44.9 million 2024 yawo sa sika ni nyina ashe omo wie sa sika ni nyina. Now the question here is the Attorney General has to go into this. Now I'm asking you, onjai way, and now onjai cases no dey no kofa we ana. You see how it is. Anytime we catch a Ghana for say, give the Attorney General time. Right now, this has to go to Parliament. The Attorney General has to take over, and then prosecution will have to start. Anytime we say munya botre, Sabwe way under Bawumia and Mahama, Bawumia and Ekufuado, 2024 All African Games, you know, $44.9 million. Or no? Mustafa Yusuf, William Kate, and Dr. Ofosu-Asare. Matisse, one of the people, no, or chief director, transport ministry. Now, that for partner transport minister, and but I'll come to that matter. I don't know why the NDC is still keeping this man who is corrupt at the transport ministry. Because the transport minister there, no, that man, I don't know even why they are keeping him in that office. Crazy man. Only the other say, Bibi Bana say, Onya Sikani be near on Beso Beye Jumano. But we are here. The transport minister. Can't you see the woman is even effective than the man? The deputy, she is more effective than that man. Unnecessary, useless travels on Yadi Papebia. But we will come there. As we speak, Sanko from Wiasikaweno, the chief director now of Kauma Wiasikaweno, he is working with the transport minister at the transport ministry. In fact, the transport minister puts that man there because that man will help him steal the transport minister. But Jebedruho, we will get there. This same man, who is the chief director at the transport ministry, Yadene Koma, sports minister, so also on yet, and a transport minister, we confirm Yokofano. And this man is part of the criminality, of course. So, our chief director of transport ministry, no? Mr. President, sack that criminal and put him before court. The transport minister is a waste of time. On the policy, they say, that is what he does. But you see, I am coming to expose some people Because you see, Obi no obetumi say John Mahama ejuma oye no. Transport minister no why didn't be say or no constituency no free no a NDC constituency into no odin kwasi asem cry the people will vote for him. But we will get there. We will get there. In Kwasi Akika, she shows no respect to anybody. Other ministers have been complaining about this man. And the funny thing is, he's weak-minded. Now, Yanko All African Games, stories now, Auditor General Adeba Bini. Over 7 million was spent on quantified T-shirts purchase during the 13th All African Games. You see, All African Games no year under Ekufuado ne Bawumia 7 million Ghana cedis on the printed T-shirt. Unquantified T-shirt. Over to be 7 million Ghana cedis. Ghana is 7 billion. 70 billion. Ghana is 70 billion. Billion. Edioson. Echiri po. 70 billion. I'm going to print shirts. Shirts this way. Tete. Sika omdi All African and the MPP no. Bawumia time no. Ekufuado time no. Almost I'm print shirt for All African Games no. 7 million Ghana cedis. Tete Ghana cedis 70 billion. Million. Uko duru menjia. Baby otum for dano. Eko baby omudi asem no. Utumi hihye sika ni na enko ho. Ebe bruso abeduru wo na no. Sika podio. Sa ankofo no some the printed shirt. T-shirt. Ya hwehwe shirt no so ayehu. Just a T-shirt party. Now, Mame Sanchiro Krono a MPP abo and the Auditor General na de abo. Interfere we ye bedi hu dwuma. It is one man NDC 42 years a day be na pesa we because we need time. You hear time to prosecute and we will prosecute. Me MPP ni mapa but me MTTK matetia ka MPP so because we got a party card. We want membership bibia wa ha. Enti me matetia ka so me chire ma Ghana fo hu no kure no. Now mame nko benim na me nhwe ade. Yegina All African Games so NPP. Adentina we dey about some afenyomakin en raising or parliament kwasiato the tinu kakawure. Almost say All African Games, Auditor General flags contract to a health company to supply of 5,500 packs of condoms, while another company per its sponsorship package was to supply condoms to athletes at African Games for free. Now your company be almost part of the sponsorship and they say almost best supply condoms in into almost custom best sponsor All African Games into almost the end say almost produce condoms into almost check condoms free. And MPP are buying Esakofa another company almost contract say almost supply condoms 5,005. Now then yeah what 10 or Ghana. And then yeah identify for. And this is the MPP 5,500 contract almost supply condoms for All African Games. Shadie. Kwasiafo we sa petumi o. There was a company catch a Ghana for you say we are in see the condom BBB. Say oh yeah the betima sponsor bia the betima and say you betima ba the event one na ya check condom sama supporters no any athletes no into yes your sponsorship package ni afa ye be wie ya you sign the contract ma another company say on supply 5,000 now the 5,500 condoms All African Games size moving and acting o wana All African Games na size moving yes ya acting and I said yeah ana a blue film etian kwasi asem no 5,000 na muzika 300 million eno nyina ahye sorry 30 million Ghana 5,500 condom 30 million Ghana. I say you rekoto condoms you nim say rekoshe nkwasiafo you rekoshe ponchio omso makoto condom kwa 30 million poly sa sika we nyina no de koto condom ene yete Ghana ha kwasiafo da ho ka kire say ye mo mu tumi condom ablation. They have condomized the All African Games. Ebony condom for no sponsor event in Ebony condom. Ebony condom number 1 at your time. Ebony condom, it cannot be perforated. Ebony condom, it does not matter how long you are, it will still cover you. Ebony condom number 1. Ebony mumfa musikambra. Me advert obwa. Ebony condom. Maya Adama mumfa nko yejuma. You see Ebony condom for sponsor All African Games no. and almost almost part the umbe say almost check condoms ama athletes no any supporters beba afei koye auditor MPP aban Nana do Danko Kufuor ne Abozeke Bawumia munafiki through the sports minister no almost akoma another contract say company be supply condoms yakoyesha 30 million condoms ye hu be sika nafa but ye nyina ne ye twen ebony condoms. Then I got a phone in a channel. At least in ebony condoms. Ebony condoms. Ebony condoms. What is ebony condoms? Ebony condoms is what is better condoms with the best idea at your time. Ebony condoms in at your time. Ebony condoms, no perforation. Ebony condoms, no irritation. Ebony condoms, number one elasticity of a condom stretch. Ebony condoms, it does not matter how long you are, we can still cover your face. It does not matter how long you are, we will still cover you. Ebony condoms, number one. Ebony, move from the camera. Hey, move from the camera. With your hand. Everybody, vamos camera. I am a pop star.
Yeah, what's it day? November to November. Me and no my no calendar. Come on, let's ride. I'm a running man. Pop star.
You know, pop star. Versatile player. You know, everybody condom for one from the camera. And yes, I'm a say advert. Media me to my year. Conan the Destroyer. Unime. MTTK. Matitiaka also MPP player. Me say. Ebony condom for monfam add the camera. Me ma catch them. My yama free. The whole Ghana is so be say ebony condom. Ebony condom. No matter how long you are, we can still cover your front. Ebony condom, number one. Aqua, we are talented. Hey, if you grab me, grab when you be bring my you. I'm pop star pa. Ome ko edim. Every won't jam to. When Jimmy dread. Here another story. You see. 2.3 million was spent on cleaning services during the 13th African Games with duplicated invoices and overlap in service charges, especially for Zoom Lion BM. You see, 2.3 million cities. Ghana is 203 billion. Then you see the pra ho. You pay na man for no you go to you pay. Ni pra ho. You see invoices ni nyina. Omo fake invoices. Now you see Zoom Lion, your Zoom Lion sitting room. It is like a cartel. Omu create idea no nobody abesha your con. You see a proper stadium or they be a jabola, yogurt tour, you fan milk tour, you jai there. Omu yanoma proper. I bass boys there. Omu proper and also you 2.3 million. After for receipt in bra, receipt in your duplicated, receipt in your fake receipts, and the say, oh, where you more ha, so no one more ha, where you must I Zoom Lion credit be by. Zoom Lion, they say there's a fibia bibia omo. Zoom Lion, I say bibia omo. It is because you are still keeping Paul Adom-Otchere on that your Metro TV. That is why you are facing problems. Onyankopon pese o tie nipa, ofa kwasia so na tie ne ba. And onyame ani wo ho but sebio sa kwasia Paul na de bia also na wutua ne ka Metro TV no ono wasetwe na onyame de ma ono Zoom Lion into brand na wukom no and the tainting of your image no it is because okwasia bi na wode usika ehye nsa wode usika etua ne ka and onyame twe waso. I respect you a lot but you see because wode wo ho abokwasia e de say Paul and we jai Paul na all say wodwumadie I don't know Paul tip Metro TV all to defend you because who will say we are cromfo and be defend you. So until you clean your ass, until say obey sa Paul kwase na free Metro TV no, we na kwesi say ongu nkofo ani ma say and the only content kwase ade na to ye and na woto and na o so you are the one supporting Paul Adom-Otchere to be fooling and you are paying for it. And if you don't take care, whatever you have built, it will be destroyed by this fool. I am telling you, where I am coming, I like you. I love you as a dad, as a friend, but let me tell you, your downfall will come from Paul Adom-Otchere. And everything that you have built, Paul Adom-Otchere best say no. What do to me? What do sika? What do nyoma she kwasiansa? Sana to ya two for so many times you don't listen. I don't know a car with the MPP. I don't know the business you do with MPP. I don't know how much you owe MPP. But that Paul Adom-Otchere is the one destroying you. By your two for one and gradually your empire will be collapsed by Paul. Gradually, your empire that you have built, Paul Adom-Otchere kwasewe, obes say no manako form, also onam no siska. And this guy, I have told you and I've advised you on my show so many times, sack that fool. Sack that fool. But minim, ba onyame ka so do ho bo kwasea, ubi bia hwero. That is the only thing I'll tell you today. You are a very nice man. I like you so much, but you don't listen to advice. And this Paul Adom-Otchere now, the two TV, you know, every nonsense this guy is doing, you know about it. And Kwasiadia Paul, your Ghana, why shut that for you know you are supporting it behind the scenes. You are the one doing it. Because if you are not supporting him, you own the TV. Take him off. But because he is doing your foolish bidding, you are sitting there and allowing this guy. Say, idea our building in was saying, oh, said today, your bosom lie on Dimpe, it is part of corruption. There be a bosom lie on Dim right now from 2020. Eba, your bosom lie on Dim Papa da. There be it is linked with corruption. Why? Because the people now what you are bearing. Now, Paul Adom-Otchere in the Papa. And then all these things that comes up, he never speaks about it and tries to clarify the issue. I mean, who said Paul Adom-Otchere TV so a defender who zoom lie on that? Why? But you own the TV is on. Why hasn't he defended you before? Because they are the people who are destroying you. But mudu point to be a mudu some was canty yeni entumufo. Mudu point to be a why didn't I say yankwara the enimno sebio na mumpeni for munim. Why do you think that guy has never stood on his show to defend you before? Why do you think he hasn't done it? Oh, that's now na ye Pentecost for and ye Pentecost penyini and I me call Liberia ko ye adwuma me wo Kenya ne Liberia beto Ghana wo. So why you stable Ghana, Kenya, Liberia, then all will collapse. I'm telling you, all these countries are working with you because of what you have done in Ghana. They are looking at your roots and how you have been able to stabilize Ghana. Now they are me Congo, me Liberia, me Sisabola, Paul Adom-Otchere would uproot you and then you will lose everything around Africa. I'm telling you, I know more than you think I know. And you know I know. And you know I know. And I know you know I know. And we all know we know what we know. In my catcher, I'm advising you. Now, still on All African Games, Ghana still owes over 200 million cedis, despite the 2.245 billion spent in organizing the 13th All African Games. So, Ghana down 200 million cedis. Ghana's 20 billion. Apart from a car yabatua a 2.245 billion, omuwie na ebedru ndade yet ahon deka 200 million Ghana na ye jimiana. Why is anybody adempo na MP for to meet TV say mom to me? Mena woka say MPP for organization of the event almost say 2.24 billion 2.245 billion cedis. Sasa Kenya omuntumi account for. Still, you had 200 million. Intimate hey, you had 200 million cedis. 2.24 billion. You had 200 million. Near the to Ghana to some Kwasia Samso. MPP for TV so. Na MPP for the parliament ATM. Kwasia for we near so almost Ghana. These are foolish people. Every serious country, me say, the biggest punishment between the MPP is to stop them from coming close to power for the next 42 years. That is the biggest punishment too. Because Sanko from this Sika they are behind Bawumia. Sika mu ni the train area Babe support Bawumia 2028. Why should we even give them that opportunity? The 13th African Games, just for 2 weeks. Now for 2 weeks, they're spending 2.245 billion. Just for 2 weeks. Yeah, for 2 weeks. So I'm for to be covered to javelin, a shot put, a pivela, a 100 meters, 200 2 weeks. Yanya Koko, Massa, Tianopa, Edemo Mudie, you say you're spending 2.245 billion. Menokasa under 2026, you don't cut 200 million Ghana cedis. 200 million. And you host to work up there, Sikeja Ekoton. Na ye de bete ye ka me ka bibia ye was to work up Ghana e che sebio nana we dia ochancha hinamia na meka we kra de che se sikejua emu odu nana ye was to work up e che kotam sikejua kosia wawa because All African Games be to be ka kra na 2.24 billion yo na World Cup abrofo de betena ha de e che sikejua ne akofa hunafo hene no akonwa aka ho ne de yana de aka ho ne akofa eye doma hene akonwa ne de akosi wawa e Southgate anase de ko Wall Street ne de akosi wawa ansa na yetume because 2 weeks per 2.10 billion nana onana ne mi o wo fa se chancha hene na meka sei se World Cup be pie Ghana dia e che ton sikejwa me na meka nana enya agro Eche ton sika dwane ko tu yi confrontation ni bodua no so ka ho. Na ne sika na odutu afom no yesatu ene ye so to so. Na ya asanto atade na o hye ko akono. Yatam yana na ya asanto atade ne to so. Na ye de akosia wa World Bank enye sa de a World Cup de eche 100 billion cedis dollars trillion ene na take ton ye nyina na. Ene ke je o ton na po. Dada. Yo was to World Cup a. Oyando o se ton no. Na po ye be ton na po. O se ton eye educhum. Obi ti se eye Unpaid the Bawumia o se ton no. Ye ga se o te ton san ko fodi nyina. Ye ton mo enye se omo ne de betika do. Ye de tika do so. Enye se omo bo adin bia na bibi o. Ye ton mo makoye nkwase adwuma de atika no so ansa ne ye be face ka no. E kana nkasa de eche ya papa. Na ye sakofa na ekufu ado ka ho. Na ye de akoti so kakra be kota ansa na de aka no. Ya hwehwem asanteman omo mu support MPP obogimi na ye de omo tete omo maka ho an ye tete omo support MPP obogimi no na ye tete omo ma esa de koto so nana enya de kito slave trade asem na make no we ye 2 weeks mirika ko 2.2 billion na be host work abrin de eche de sikadwa ko ai nana we de manu susumina so eche nana ye che abro nye e de sheke ejim na ye de wutumi so sheke ejim na ya che eye de KT Hamon so sheke ejim ye wi aya ba be che se salaka de eche twade be ma na ye de sheke ejim na owudem na ya che obi tisa koso be de ye tu ne hwene no na ye de akosi awawa na che se eye de amadoku na nufu ye twitwa e de ko chincingama abrofo no na ketijewfu a na ya werewere no kankan ya werewere no ho e de akoko spices che se ya chi omu nyina wo nana we e kai ba be da so no oja pop star mia wedwa unhwinim
what's it day November to November me and no mind no calendar come on let's ride I'm a running man higher than life no challenger trace my loss for the charisma you know that pop
what me do ka $100 yala beji now yanko enim Jack and my say one stop me 3 hours 21 minutes aha asem na dawo aha me ma no omko Ghana na ade omusuan no afi omo say ade abo fe Ghana area omo de Ghana say ye ka say aha me ma no omo di top aha me say aha me ma no omo bodam de say bia omo say na omo di omko Ghana no mu say Ghana for ka some aha it is akwa we buni bro akwa we na GBC boss we na akwa we na time MPP wa power no akwa do ni me maro GBC omo from a dude they say hey and I'm sorry omo nyina sorry Jabi sorry I'm saying guys what's up dude how are you me sure what's up hey my luck is a muska ka headings pa kanya anopa no but I say me go for omo ndi omo ni angwada nti omo sheda hu bebi na bi janam free so who are the pass hello dude it was from Fatali yeah most of from Fatali kan Fatali dude this is cool me sure most of say be Ghana one day be Ghana me sawasema I say I be sawase be deport me you better me create any positivity we have so cool me ni a million no me money me ni a million me say me no me million mutu na me I know some to show me say munim crank na munim deal no crank ko na say no me also fatally dude we say no problem me chibu Ghana me sabasma hono ye bibia nsi wo no lie I said that say me sawase ye be deport me sawase now I mean, GBC Director, GBC Director General, Professor Amin Al-Hassan, searchlight 684,000 Ghana for irregular training contracts in relation to the 13th African Games. Papa we, yes, say all African Games GBC boss no. Okoye a lot training be or should I edit board bi kotare GBC one also oye training say enkofo kwa report sa oboa auditor general asset charge no 684,000 Ghana 6.8 billion papa we mukai no Nyankopon tia obi aka 1111 obia from the beginning oye na aju say obeka me wasem bone nyame betua ne ka Obia when I use all come once and one in the Yami Butianica. Obia Beginia. Wait, oh, ye re. Papa Mukar, my member when Oka say, or no, Okoti, Oko, Srem, Ekoya, sorry. Na oni imam will be bedi come na imam so me ko Kevin Taylor and I say na Kevin Taylor about TV so and imam so share now they just say nkoro okuro na Kevin Taylor what TV so ntimi kra me ko Kevin Taylor and also oba akra no be frɛ Osla say Osla mfa kwan bia so na yenyimi free TV so kwasam panyi we and yes wo akɔ wie sika kronfo the press GBC worker, they should petition the president to sack him even just because of this for the investigations to finish. He needs to leave office. Muntia na akwa oni kromfo me catch them obia begide there.
But it should have been more. Here in Ghana, in 2000, so you can control DTT 100%. With direct to home, it says out national sovereignty. We'll go for. Years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose prince covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. Oh, nowhere, you can't get him. This conversation matters. About 2 years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose prince covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. Oh, nowhere, you can't get him. If you get him in Nigeria, he'll move to Senegal. Or the satellite that whose footprints covers Ghana. These are issues that when you look
Also, Imam, no, crash on your sorry, come, Kevin Taylor. So that time I could access Kevin Taylor on my phone. That means no, me debia. But one thing I want to say, I don't know, Imam, no say, or Kevin Taylor on TV, so no back or back no so the TV, and like Kevin Taylor was so, or multi TV so on one channel, and also of Fred. A very important regulator, that was Asla Owusu. She was the communications minister. And Okacha Asla said, how did Kevin Taylor get on TV in Ghana? They all didn't want Mahama to come to power. And Asla, what did I say? And then we commissioned the NCA. And then we commissioned the NCA, meaning it was a project to get me off TV in 2024. You see, in 2023, it means it was a project for them. So they commissioned the NCA to find means to get me off. And the NCA catch up say Kevin Taylor is not streaming from any source. He's streaming from Germany and also Nigeria to enter Ghana. So we cannot touch him because he has a multi-million-dollar contract. So you see, so all of them, they didn't want me to be on TV. And the Confrontation channel. We also could jail. He needs to stand before court. They need to jail him. This is not a man who needs to be the boss of a director of Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. No, this guy is a thief. He's a criminal. He has been charged by the Auditor General. They catch them. And then because you catch a man say, "Oh, man, one word from Ghana." And you fool, they have all been fighting me for the past 4, 5, 6 years. They have been fighting me. They don't even know how I got on TV in Ghana. How I managed to pay $5,000 every month. They don't get it. His TV does not have any advertisement. It is only Mimi TV. You can watch CNN, you can watch BBC, you can watch everything. Sports, movies. We don't show any profanity, any nudity, nothing. Yeah, your TV so Bawumia. My TV, that's not what is on my TV. Open adult content in Ghana. It is my television. Multi-TV, loud silence TV. I am in Kwame TV. You can watch CNN throughout. You can watch current movies. You can watch Sky Sports. You can watch Al Jazeera. We don't show my team. We don't show nudity. We don't do. So you see, that is why my TV, more people watch my TV than any TV. Now, maybe Ghana, I took my time. When I went to see my mom, and I'm saying, okay, I'm going to go to my mom's room. I'm going to come my there when I'm going to share a dear ocean walk. Local TV, so because my mom Unpaid DSTV. Into me come my side what I'm say, dear na watch. Na okoshe Ghana TV so nkwasi ade ekoso pa. And me na go jam papa mama epe sa nyoma no. The only thing she watches or she me show ni wie pe ewo the other side of the house. Okoshe me wo TV so wie a no aba ne side wo. Na afi TV so malam for the guso aza atro. My mom or she me show ni wie a dia ka o hwe no tim say like I know we just hang my way or say we mo anam de gigi ni o mo gibitu na akobitu so ne ene na wunim me say hwe de onyame aye na me kan kire mo software yi asori way me say doctor way ono akọ Asia wakọ Germany wakọ Jabodini na me say mashi wakọ da so a ebe yi wo mfren kwam say nkwase se be ne koso Ghana no eno so see ya na nkofo be ba send me na me send no na right now what they do and they say and I'm sending this message to the NCA omo bokro no wo TV so Ghana no omo send 10 na me send 50 no the TV no there's no logo. You don't see the kind of TV station omo no makata logo do so. If you even try to report them say TV when they show sana you don't even see TV look at old screen recorder cry. There's no logo on the TV. Who they are local TVs no baby no mu wi ade baby omo bokro no asofo akronfo ne malama akronfo ne edunsifo akronfo no TV no omo kasa wosoro they need name. It does not have a name. The logo the boni akata so. It is okay to report to cry. What is going to happen? And they say, oh, Nasa TV now or report no, any Dimbia TV banner or track it. That is what they do. And you see, you go to Messi because I'm say, Nadia, no, shall say. Again, some phone echoes way. Also, we don't give it to and one issue. And it's dinner was also be so. Sometimes I saw not me tear sound and a cake. I say, I didn't question someone else to say, well, so much give it to. But ever, I guess like a cry, Dabi, Anopano. I say, when I go to visit my mom, Anopano, not a soft one, so I be Jimmy. In the name of Jesus, and you're carrying your door, and now, I didn't echo so TV, so I say, echo. We won't give it to Jimmy. I'm sure we don't give it to. Don't see it's a deal when we are dinner, but also be beyond back, be the sound in here. Oh, we give it to be beyond TV. So, Ghana, when you go to Ghana, there's nothing on TV. Jimmy Nkwa, I swear, me say Jimmy Nkwa, Ghana TV, and me say, I don't remember Ghana piano. What I'll do is, I will film Ghana TV's channel after channel. Now my board will be shows watch them. Hey, you'll be shocked. There are 50 channels. Jimmy Nkwa, we send we sika, we yini we akoda, software jina ha, dunsini we aba, doctor we ton we, and me say, azan nkwasi asem, na studio bi onwa se baller so studio kasa omonte. Na jijim, na we Mike ye kokoro, na we ye kokoro, and onye nyabotre, nkwasi me say me ko Ghana, me sheda pa, I record Ghana TV be 1 hour. Na me change no na me change ubo enkwasi asem nko just say bibia what Ghana TV so enkwasi asem nko no information, nothing, fake news, bibia jinwa jim na jimility oko Ghana TV so jimi wa efufu ataban ohun bibia TV ne ko they are not prophetic dynamic prophetic dynamic Wednesday. Minya, no, your friend saying, I would ye abena meboa, I fan so TV so, and the Okuta handkerchief for a pesatum. Now, prophetic dynamic Wednesday in Kwasiasem. Light no guys some tea say, Nebu have to channel, you say, over the funu, Nani party to war. Ebu am to change channel. Me am dem okwaram change channel. Hey, now am dey da funu ha. Am say be a TV program here. Omo kasa call. Me say ma omo ye den. Also omo ye discussion. Me say dey na omo ka. Na kwasi atobi to na tade funu the shoot and time bi. I the money say we are said there. The onim no ma men cancel me so who be cancel me. Wo say to fin who be ma canceling. En kwasi asem. Couple. Mo record TV no mame 1 hour ochina. I want you to record Ghana TV. See your mucheni channels. But 20 minutes. I want you people to set the camera. Couple, set the camera, put it on the TV, and then change the channels. Bakubia manindi 1 minute. Bakubia manindi 30 seconds. Channel bia manindi 30 seconds. Set it well. Let it be on the TV. Now mo bought 20 minutes to have Ghana for Ghana TV. My anti sound no. Adebia Mukebia audio my anti Ghana TV nkwa. Use the big screen, please. Use the 70-inch TV. Use the 80-inch, the one in the living room. Record it. Record that one. Record no. Ma show me Ghana TV is about 50. Ochama watch the Ghana for her. Ochama tells the yes. And number one kwasi aseme kwaso Ghana. Now, you see I call my 3 hours 34 minutes. Iti mo amuka sama MPP so mosumu be kakra. Na me de mabre. Ah, me nkwa na de bia me cheche mu che Ghana. Nti obi aso tu me cheche mu che Ghana.
NPP movie production kofa oforia time mabio 1 and 2 no waka de ho bie wo diaboto 1 and 2
diaboto 1 and 2
me hu Calvin Taylor ma me say ya wo na ewo mi mu no be bo no dua me de be fasire na anya ya me de be kwa yigbe
me say ayese ne wemu ana me hu se ewiase mu se wosunsum nyade a obi bekum ase wo kwa Christian Awuni, I friend Hajia Fati, atrese, Abranche Kodon Council Lewin, and the Adi Kevin Taylor, Adi Wanunabusha Penia, the D Adi Acrobat Watem, and Uti Obebody Dia, Diaboto, 1 and 2.
Diaboto, 1 and 2.
Hajia Fati said, Kevin Taylor Cassetiano, and Uti would knock on off, Akoboni Dia, Amfa, Wako Vota, Amfa, Wako Puremantum, Amfa, Eudadina Coupon, Behasania Adia Sanato, Nahajia Fati. Afa praya miensa etwa no hwasia no wo kanti diaboto 1 and 2 enuti abusia pani masawudu adidi edi akrobeto wo behwe ama Hajia Fati ekum kwadwo cancel win eye Kevin Taylor na diaboto 1 and 2 okonfo kolege aya friend support yando eni abra kanti afewiemu nyina MPP move we die efe papa enti Kevin Taylor eye kwadwo cancel win maami ebetime twitwa de ne bayi ana diaboto 1 and 2 Sini we say dear, a foot one kasa. For MPP headquarters, our salon down. Can say, ye be in live, our Loud Silence TV, Diaboto, 1 and 2. Nasa washa sini we no one for Susu Mwasama Niagara, Obibe Kuma Sawo, na me say, Hajia Fatia Kantam say, what the Kevin Taylor Beko Togo, Benny, any Burkina Faso, na Brabasha Susu Mwa dear, Sanya Kevin Taylor Mame, a one paya diatani banachi, na a yam payan kwana. Conscious here now, Betty as here. Diaboto 1 and 2. Menfe Niagro, Kapus here. MPP Diaboto 1 and 2.
Kevin Taylor,
why anybody say obiana? Why anybody say obi?
Kevin Taylor, for you to mention Kevin Taylor, it's clearly so to say you have failed in attempt to spoil the mind of Ghanaians.
The president cannot cultivate multiple Kevin Taylors.
Kevin Taylor was insulting him.
The same government that birthed the dreaded Kevin Taylor, who has slaughtered every person in this country on the altar of his show.
Kevin Taylor, Nini Twasere.
Kevin Taylor. Oh no. Kevin Taylor, who money came home. Kevin Taylor, one year piazza. Of our family say, I'm a native say, he's sending on the process.
Nadia Kevin Taylor, you intend this phone here.
Kevin Taylor,
The day the said Kevin Taylor expires from the surface of the earth. So it's there until he asks for the period that Kevin Taylor is alive. This arrest warrant is there. Exists.
This boy Kevin Taylor is there to attack the present government and to make Mama look good. Into Nano Sudie or your role model.
Kevin Taylor, me say all Casadiama John Damani Mahamano. On Tikrum how? Or to America.
Per se, me who Kevin Taylor, ma. Me say, ya une womi mono, be born in Duya.
And you be like Kevin Taylor, me say, or Nason do useless. And I've always said, oh, you're useless. Oh, you're useless. Oh, dear, say, oh, you're useless.
Yeah, Kevin Taylor, $10,000. Now you're NDC full soldier. No, yeah, Puma, say NDC Beba, NDC Ma, because the mama, she can I call Kevin Taylor.
Na Kevin Taylor dear me de me catch and say na dear Kevin Taylor
no Kevin Taylor who you say John Dramani Mahama who say you to about wabusu mu kra no who you say wabusu for beto aban they will vote for
Kevin Taylor when you be our show ye na you ni video no kana content obi o sika be she obi call it say garage. He's a stupid boy. Be our friend Kevin. Yeah, he's smart.
Obi bien na no ka se garage na obu ofu no. Bema wo use ni be use no hwe ahụ bien na no ka se garage na wo tia na obu ofu. Eh, and also a problem. E bia me ka che Ghana for.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.